Today's Sharp Saturday video is going to be a little different than usual. It's about a week and a half before Christmas as I make this video. I've got a lot of family stuff I need to be doing, but I wanted to get a Sharp Saturday video out for you. So instead of going out to the old stump top, we're going to do this one indoors. Sort of a semi-unboxing slash mini science test for two folding knives that both come in at around the $30 range, so well under 50 bucks. These are by CJRB, which is a division of Artisan. You see they're still in the box here. We're going to take a look at that coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me for another Sharp Saturday video where it's Saturday and we take a look at something sharp. And as I said, today the something sharp is going to be something sharp. I've got two folding knives from CJRB that both come in at around the $30 range. And in a break from tradition, we're going to do kind of an unboxing slash mini science video because, again, time pressures are constraining me this weekend. But first, I remembered this time a word of wisdom from Proverbs. This is from Proverbs 10:12 from the New Living Translation. Hatred stirs up quarrels, but love makes up for all offenses. So that's the words of wisdom today, and we're going to try to do this video in kind of one take, other than just readjusting the camera for the close-up unboxing stuff. But I got to give a big thank you to the folks at XS Sights for sponsoring today's video, making it possible. XS Sights are the sights that I carry on my pistol every single day. I've been using them for years and years. I'm really proud to have them as a sponsor. If you go to the survivalonpurpose.com/sponsors, you can see some coupon codes and stuff like that. So anyway, that's thanks again to the folks at XS Sights for sponsoring today's video, the fastest sight in any light. Now, let me take you down to the old tabletop here, and we'll get to doing that there unboxing thing. You want to? Okay, we're only going to unbox one since they're both packaged exactly the same, but here it is. And open it up. It comes with this little silica gel pack because it's a long boat ride from China. And they both come in a nice little zipper case here. Open that sucker up. And, alrighty. And a nice little kind of a velvet lined, fur lined, plush lined, whatever you want to call it, and a cleaning cloth there. The other way. This one had a sticker in it. We'll open the knife up. Man, this sucker is protected from the elements. Okay, so this is the CJRB Pyrite Light J1945 BU. Let's talk about the specs of this thing. The blade length on this is 3.34 inches. For those of you still stuck in that old metric system, that's 85 millimeters. It is 0.1 inches thick, or 2.5 millimeters, and it is a stonewash finish AR/RP M9 steel in a Warnif style with a flat grind. And I looked it up. The AR/RP M9 steel stands for Artisan Rare Powdered Material 9-Element Steel. So I am not going to delve into the metallurgy of this because I am not a metallurgist. Did I say that right? And I think that the proliferance of information on the internet has created a lot of self-proclaimed steel experts, and a lot of, at least in my opinion, maybe we'll say it, much ado about nothing. I'll say it again, not that I don't think there's a difference in steels. There are. I'm not that ignorant, but I also think that you could take any steel in most of these knives and don't mark it, don't tell somebody what it was. You could tell them whatever you want to tell them, and they wouldn't know the difference. And I just think that there's a whole lot of import being made about the steel type, and most users, it's not going to make a hill of beans. And I also say this, that I think that Daniel Boone or Davy Crockett would be proud to have any of the steels that people are calling garbage steels these days. So that being said, I'll get off my high horse about steel. This knife features a blue textured FRN handle, fiberglass reinforced nylon, with a ceramic ball bearing pivot, which by golly is smooth. And you can either push the button and flick it open or close, or you can just use the thumb stud. It has a reversible deep carry pocket clip. As you saw, a push button lock. And it weighs 2.82 ounces. Pretty lightweight for a knife like this. It feels pretty good in my hand. The clip does not seem to bite into my hand at all. Has a little lanyard hole here. A couple of pins here, basically just for support. I kind of like this open style back. It just lets you get the inevitable pocket lint or anything that's going to get in it to clean it out very easily. So, and I kind of dig this Warren style blade too. It's just a very good slicey blade, and it looks pretty cool too. I do like that it's really lightweight for daily carry. So that's the CJRB Pyrite Light 1945 BU. The next one we're going to look at, and by the way, this is $30 on their website right now. You can probably find it about that price all over the old internet. The next one is going to be the CJRB Acacia J1952. Again, $30. Open this sucker up. And this one, again, is 3.34 inch blade, 85 millimeters. 0.1 thickness, 2.5 millimeters. This is stone-washed ARP M9 steel with a drop point and a flat grind. This one has a thumb open cutout, a little bit of jimping on back, which, by the way, also the other one had. I forgot to tell you that. A black textured FRN handle, another ceramic ball bearing pivot, again, reversible deep carry pocket clip, and this one has a crossbar lock, or you might know it as the Axis lock. That's what I knew it from, like Benchmade made the Axis lock. Same style, same design. I think they lost the patent expired on that. But again, open architecture. This one weighs just 2.68 ounces, so pretty cool there. Now, having said all that, we're not going to go the old stump top, but I do think we need to get a little scientific with it. So we're going to do the internationally recognized, standardized sharpness test, the redneck sharp test. So we'll start with the Pyrite light. Open you up, put the testing medium here in camera, and let's see if what we get. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I can feel it. It's just like, man, oh man, look at that. That's a bunch of bear there. Look at the hair there. Okay, so we're going to say this one passes the redneck sharp test with flying colors, which is really what matters in an EDC style knife. This is not going to be a bushcraft style knife. There's no sharp spine here anywhere to strike a ferro rod. You know, you might, but I doubt that very seriously. So this one passes, the Pyrite passes the sharpness test. Let's try the Acacia. And we'll get the other medium out here, see if we can balance them out. And again, oh my gosh. And I usually don't use this medium because I'm not as controlled. I don't have as much control with my left hand, but look at there, man. Again, just super sharp. Alrighty. So these both passed the redneck sharp test. I guess we could try some, just for you and to screw up our white balance on the video, we'll try some paper cutting because I know everybody wants to see that. And I got no illusions this thing is not going to cut paper like it's going to. All right, we'll try the Acacia. Okay. It's sharp. They're both sharp. When Chuck Norris lifts weights, the weights get in shape. Okay, let's see if we can wrap this up. As I said, a little bit different video, but this is the, which one? This is the Pyrite, the blue one with the varnish blade, and the Acacia is the black one with the drop point blade. I should mention that both these knives are available in different blade finishes and different handle colors. You can get on their website. It's CJRB Knives, and check out all the different options that are available. But for a $30 knife, they seem very well made. A lot of kind of high-end features in a very low-end couple of knives. And man, these things are absolutely, I certainly can't do it with my left hand, butter smooth. So thanks to the folks at CJRB Knives for sending me these so I can show them to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.